Hi, this is Sander from perClass. In this video, my coworker Dea will show how to mount the MV.C VNIR camera from Headwall Photonics to the perClass stage. To do this, you will need the following equipment: the 4 bigger screws, the 4 smaller screws, the adapting plates, the main camera holder, and 2 hex keys, one size 2 and one size 4. First, we will screw the adapting plates to the main camera holder. For this, the 4 bigger screws should be used. These screws can be tightened with the size 4 hex key. Next, we can attach the camera to the side of the plate. Make sure that the objective lens is in the center of the main holder. This way the camera will be aligned with the vertical beam of the stage. Now you can attach the camera using the 4 smaller screws. These screws can be attached using the size 2 hex key. Now the camera holder is ready to be attached to the vertical beam of the perClass stage.